Hello there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What you see on my screen in front of you is a review of our beginning letter sounds. Our beginning letter sounds for K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R. Those are the letters we're going to be focusing on in this video. As you can see, the letters are at the top of your screen, at the top of my screen too, and I just circled them. There's our letters that we're going to be using. Now also, you'll see lots of pictures. So what we are going to do, and I want you to complete this activity along with me, is we are going to look at these pictures and we're going to try to figure out what the beginning letter sound for each of these pictures is. Okay? So before we get started, let's review what our letter sounds are. So let's start right from the beginning. Here's K. I want you to tell whoever you're working with what sound the letter K makes. It's the same sound that C makes. K also says k, k, k. Okay, moving right along. This is the letter L. What does the letter L say? For this one, I like to bite my tongue. Oh, oh, oh. Great job. Let's keep moving. This is the letter M. Tell someone around you, what does the letter M say? For the letter M sound, I like to put my lips together. That's what M says. Moving right along, here's N. What does N say? N sounds kind of like M, but make sure you listen really carefully for the difference. N, n, n. I put my tongue to the roof of my mouth. N. Here's M again. Here's N. N. Sounds different. Here is one of those special letters that we have. This is called a vowel. Now, we've previously done activities with A, E, and I. Here's the letter O. Now, what I like to do for the letter O, I like to use my mouth because when you make the O sound, it looks like an O. Here we go. I'll show you. Ah, ah, ah. That's what O says. O says ah, ah, ah. Great job. Let's keep moving. Here's the letter P. What does the letter P say? I want you to tell someone around you. P says p, 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 p. All right, here we go. What letter is that? That's the letter Q. Q is one of those tricky letter sounds. It says qua, 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 qua. And last but not least, let's not leave out the letter R. What does the letter R say? If you said you're absolutely correct. R says Great job. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at each of these pictures and try to figure out what the beginning letter sound is. So let's jump right to this first picture. This is one of Mrs. Cariotti's favorite snacks. This is popcorn. Now listen to the first sound you hear. Popcorn. I want you to do this activity along with me. What letter is at the beginning of popcorn? If you said P, you are absolutely correct. Popcorn starts with P. Moving right along. Here we go. Here we have a kangaroo. 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 What is the beginning letter sound in kangaroo? If you said K, awesome job. Make sure you're doing this activity along with me. Now, our next picture is a beautiful rainbow. Listen to that carefully. Rainbow. What do you hear at the very beginning of that word? Rainbow. If you said R, you are absolutely correct. Moving right along. This is one of my favorite things to have in my water. This is a lemon. Look at my mouth when I say lemon. Lemon. What's the beginning letter sound in lemon? If you said L, great job. That is letter L. Here is a monkey. Again, look at my mouth when I say that. Monkey. What's the beginning letter sound that you hear in monkey? If you said M, you are on fire. Great job. Here we go. This you might see at the end of a statement. This is called a question mark. Question mark. Question mark. What's the beginning letter sound there? If you said Q, wonderful. Moving right along, we have 2 more to go. This is an octopus. I'm giving you a hint there. Octopus. Octopus. What's the beginning letter sound there? If you said O, absolutely. Octopus. And this last picture is of a net. Net. What's the beginning letter sound for that word? If you said N, you are absolutely correct. Now, I have a challenge for you. Can you write the rest of the word net? T. What would be the next letter in the word net? If you said E, yep, you got it. And let's end it with a t. What letter is that? It's a T. Great job. See you again soon.